3 things to know about balconies. Dear friends, a balcony is a platform that's attached to a building or home on a level above the ground. Balconies usually have some form of railing or encasement and are accessible by a door or window, depending on the building or home. 1. Balconies provide great views. Because balconies are raised above the ground, they give a wider view of the surrounding areas. The higher the balcony, the wider the view. When standing on some balconies, you can see for miles. 2. Balconies can be used for extra storage space. If your home or apartment doesn't have as much hidden indoor storage space as you need, the balcony is a good alternative. Just take care to cover your belongings with tarps and keep them out of the sunlight if possible. Weather can damage your stuff, so take that into consideration before using the balcony as a storage space. 3. Balconies can be a safety hazard. Although most balconies have some type of enclosure or railing to make them safer, they can still be dangerous. Smaller items can fall off the balcony and damage property that's sitting below or hurt any people that are under them. Balconies are a double-edged sword. There are plenty of pros and cons to having a balcony. It just depends on if the pros outweigh the cons for you. Think about your lifestyle and what you value. If you have small children or pets, a balcony may not be the safest option. If you live in a tropical area near the beach, a balcony may enhance your quality of life with great views and beautiful breezes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.